How much should you really spend on a fiberglass shower cleaner? Cheap ones leave streaks, expensive ones promise miracles but don't deliver. The truth is, most bottles look the same. Same claims, same before and after photos. But which ones actually cut through soap scum and hard water without scratching your shower?
Product number 1. Lysol Power Foaming Cleaner. Lysol's Power Foaming Bathroom Cleaner. At just $4.27, this foam spray caught my eye because it's from a trusted disinfectant brand and claims to clean without bleach. Big deal for fiberglass, which can get dull or discolored with harsh chemicals. If you want something affordable that kills germs and cuts through grime without scrubbing, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Fiberglass showers hate abrasive cleaners, and Lysol's foam clings to vertical surfaces, letting the formula sit long enough to dissolve soap scum and limescale. It kills 99.9% of bathroom bacteria and viruses, including flu and staph, in 30 seconds. That means less wiping and more peace of mind. Plus, it's biodegradable and safe for septic systems, so you're not trading cleanliness for environmental harm. With over 20,000 bought recently, it's clearly working for a lot of people. Now, some people complained about the scent being too strong or artificial. Here's the thing though, if you ventilate your bathroom while cleaning, which you should anyway, it fades quickly. And honestly, a little fresh smell beats mildew any day. The bigger issue? It doesn't tackle heavy mineral buildup as well as oxygen-based cleaners. So if your water is super hard, you might need a second pass. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, no-scrub cleaner that disinfects and works fast. Skip this one if you have extreme limescale or hate synthetic fragrances. For under $5, it's a solid everyday option.
Product number 2. OxiClean Bathroom Cleaner. This one uses oxygen-powered stain fighters instead of bleach, which is huge for fiberglass. It lifts stains without risking surface damage. Even though the price isn't listed, it's usually mid-range, and with 4,000 plus sold recently, it's clearly resonating. If you've got stubborn soap scum or hard water rings, this could be your secret weapon. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Fiberglass gets cloudy when minerals build up, and OxiClean's liquid formula penetrates deep into pores and grout lines. It kills 99.9% of bacteria and even the virus that causes COVID-19 on hard surfaces. The oxygen bubbles break down grime at a molecular level, so you wipe away residue instead of scrubbing it off. That means less elbow grease and less chance of scratching your shower finish. Now, some people said it didn't work on really thick buildup unless left for 10 plus minutes. Here's the thing though, that's normal for oxygen-based cleaners. They need time to react. Just spray, wait, then wipe. Also, it's not as foamy as Lysol, so if you like that thick coverage feel, this might feel light. But for actual stain removal, it outperforms many pricier brands. This is perfect for you if you deal with hard water stains or want a chlorine-free deep clean. Skip this one if you need instant results without waiting. It's a powerhouse for the price.
Product number 3. Coxy 2-piece Scrub Brush. That was a liquid cleaner, but sometimes you need tools. Enter the Coxy 2-piece cleaning brush. At $11.99, it's not a cleaner itself, but paired with any spray, it makes fiberglass cleaning way easier. With 2,000 plus sold, people love its ergonomic design and stiff yet gentle bristles. If your shower has tight corners or textured surfaces, this brush solves problems sprays alone can't. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Fiberglass showers often have grooves, seams, or curved walls where grime hides. The Coxy brush has a contoured handle that protects your knuckles and stiff blue sponge bristles that scrub without scratching. It's lightweight, reusable, and works on porcelain, tile, and fiberglass alike. Plus, the hanging hole saves space. No more soggy sponges in the corner. Now, some people said the bristles softened over time with heavy use. Here's the thing though, that's expected with any non-metal brush. They're meant to be gentle on surfaces, not indestructible. Just rinse after each use and they'll last months. Also, it doesn't come with a cleaner, so you'll need to buy one separately. This is perfect for you if you want better control and reach during cleaning. Skip this one if you prefer fully chemical-only cleaning. For under $12, it's a smart add-on.
Product number 4. Method Antibacterial Spray. If you're eco-conscious, Method's antibacterial bathroom cleaner in spearmint might be your match. Though pricing isn't listed, it's typically premium, and with 2,000 plus sold, it's popular among green buyers. It's plant-based, cruelty-free, and biodegradable, rare in a disinfectant. If you want a cleaner that's tough on germs, but kind to your skin and the planet, this stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Fiberglass can absorb harsh chemicals over time, leading to yellowing. Method uses natural surfactants in essential oils to cut grime without toxins. It still kills 99.9% of household germs, including flu and salmonella, so you're not sacrificing safety. The spearmint scent is light and refreshing, not overpowering, and it's safe for septic systems. Now, some people said it struggles with heavy soap scum compared to stronger formulas. Here's the thing though, that's the trade-off for being gentle. It works best as a maintenance cleaner, not a once-a-year deep clean. Use it weekly, and you'll never face buildup. This is perfect for you if you prioritize sustainability and mild ingredients. Skip this one if you have severe mineral deposits. It's a great daily defender.
Product number 5. Drill Brush Power Scrubber Kit. The Drill Brush Attachment Set. At $19.99, it's the priciest here, but it turns your drill into a cleaning machine. With 1,000 plus sold, DIYers swear by it. If you hate back pain from scrubbing or have chronic buildup, this saves time and effort. Big for fiberglass care. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Fiberglass showers need consistent cleaning to avoid etching, and hand scrubbing wears you out. The drill brush uses medium stiff nylon bristles that spin fast enough to remove grime but won't scratch surfaces. Just attach it to any cordless drill, spray your cleaner, and let the tool do the work. It cuts cleaning time in half and reaches grout lines like nothing else. Now, some people said it's overkill for small showers, or if you don't own a drill. Here's the thing though, if you already have a drill, this pays for itself and saves time. And if you clean weekly, the durability justifies the cost. Just don't use it on delicate finishes without testing first. This is perfect for you if you want professional level results at home. Skip this one if you prefer simple spray and wipe routines. For deep, fast cleaning, it's unmatched.
So which one wins? Lysol for budget disinfecting, OxiClean for tough stains, Coxy for precision scrubbing, Method for eco-friendly care, and Drill Brush for power cleaning. There's no single best. It depends on your shower's condition and your cleaning style. Pick the one that fits your routine, and your fiberglass will stay shiny for years.